Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your orphan pages from your website. Before I'm going to the main topic, let me show you one tool so you can get an idea about the AI SEO. You can see I already opened Boostify. This website will help you to get more view, get more traffic and everything for your website by only AI SEO. You can see I already opened my website and already linked my website this tool, and you can see here is the missing all tags, missing heading tags, each and everything they are showing, and technical issue they are showing. They'll give you the suggestion, and also if you want to analyze your rank, then you can use rank analyzer. If you want to know about the business, then you can see the details. And also if you want to get the recommendation means you just click on the view recommendation, then this tool will help you to get the full analytical reports, what you need to change, what you need to be fixed and others. And if I go to the another option, you can see here is the on page SEO. If you want to do the on page SEO for your website just using AI tool, then you can use this tool. And also if you want to get the content inspiration, if you want to generate the blog content just only using AI, then you can click on create. Then you can give him the post title, choose the tone, what will be your business category, add keyword. Then you can see the next option, then it will generate the full keywords and also full keywords related blog article for your website. Okay, it will work by their own. You don't need to do anything, just put your information here and the website will do everything. Okay, let me give you the full idea how to detect and fix orphan pages on your website. At first we need to know what is orphan pages. Orphan pages are web pages that exist but not linked to from any other pages on your site. Search engine may struggle to find and index them. If I go to my search console, you can see here is the pages option. I total indexed 26 pages and not indexed 51 pages. That's mean they are the orphan pages, so you need to fix them. Okay, so here is the option crawl your website. Crawl website means we can use some of the tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush to audit them. Just search on Google SEMrush.com site audit, then hit the enter. Then you can see this website will open. You can use most of the tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs and others. Now I will go to my website. You can see this is my website. Suppose I will take this website link and then I will audit this site. Okay, I'll enter my domain here. Just a moment, I need to, suppose this one is my website, suppose this one. Then you can see limit per pages 100 page, and also crawl website, not your exact sitemap, weekly, every day, and start audit. Then it will give you the full audit report for your website. What's the problem, what is the main reason you are not getting information, and others option. You can use others tool, or you can search here like site audit for free. Then you can see lots of tools will come to you, and you can see they are opening. Just a moment, you can see just opening there, and then you can just enter your website here and click on audit. They'll audit your full website. They'll show you the domain authority, your website problem, recommendation, crawlability and links, others. Okay, everything they will show you. Now let me give you the others option. Use Google Analytics and Search Console to see the indexed or non-indexed pages. I already shown to you that you can see if you go to the pages option, then you can see the indexed page and not indexed pages, and which pages are indexed and which pages are not indexed, and why pages are not indexed. You can see the reason, alternate page with proper chronicle tag, and page with redirection and others. Okay, and if I go to the sitemaps, you can see I already added some of the sitemaps here, and if I want to discover pages, then I have the 70 pages to make the discoverable information. Okay, now you can see here is the site audit report. You can see on page SEO B plus, links, D, usability, and everything is fine for this website. Okay, so your page could be better. So my pages are not well in function. So I hope you understand about the site audit of your website. Okay, now you can see audit and decide what do you with orphan pages. Most of the thing you need to focus on keep and optimize. You need to understand what pages are your orphan pages and redirect them another. If you want to get the data from the pages, you can see here are the pages, and why they are not pages. You can see lots of pages are already there. Here are the pages. These pages are not working. These pages are not indexing. So you need to open your pages from your website, and just you can copy this URL, and after that go to the pages option from your website backend. Then you can delete them, or you can fix them, optimize them if you want. Okay, my recommendation is optimize them regularly, then it will be indexed in the Google. And also redirect, you need to redirection checker. Just type here 301 checker for Google, and you can see redirection check. Here is the website, and suppose this is my website URL. Just click on the analyze. Now you can see here are the full 301 checking. If you are seeing that your result is 200 and you get the OK result, then you can expect this site is OK. Now here is the delete. If it offers no value, then you can delete them, or you can check the 404 checker. If you search on Google 404 checker, then you can find out some of the website. You can just copy your website domain and then enter here and check site. If there are any broken links, there are any frozen link, then you can see here. Okay, then it will be scanned. You can see scan pages, and there is no errors for my website as well. So you need to wait here, and if you feel there are 404 checker already there, and now you can remove them. Okay, fix orphan pages by internal linking. Internal linking means if you are publishing any kind of blog pages, just use your internal links. Use some of the links in texts that will be redirect to your website, not others website. Okay, so internal linking will work better, like by related blog post, category pages, navigation menus, or home page footer. Suppose if I go one website, you can see this website. If I click on the feature, then it will not redirect to any other website. This is redirecting to the real website and the same website. Okay, so this is called the internal linking. So you can use internal linking for your website. Then also the recrawl and reindex the site. You can use the reindexing. First of all, you index the site and again you can index the site in the Google. You can see here is my search console. So if I want to index here again, you can see the add property option. Again add your domain here, then again index your website again to the Google search console. Then it will help you to get more SEO optimize, more SEO result, more inception tools and others. Regularly monitor for new orphan pages. If you are facing some of the orphan pages issue, then I am recommending you to regularly check, regularly monitor your website, like if there are any broken links here, or if there are facing any orphan pages, then you can check it and you can fix it. Okay, so this is the full idea about the orphan pages fixing and how to detect them, and I hope you get the idea how to detect the orphan pages and how you can fix them. Thank you very much. Let's see in the next video.